Monsanto made your trip a little bit better. The luxurious carpeting of Acrylan acrylic. The tables made of Monsanto plastics. The dessert cakes made light and fluffy thanks to Monsanto food research. Even the hydraulic fluid that lowers the landing gear is made by Monsanto. And when tomorrow's transports span the earth at twice the speed of sound, Monsanto will be aboard, surrounding you with the things that make tomorrow better. This is Monsanto today.